NDEAM is the National Disability Employment Awareness Month, and this is celebrated nationally every October to recognize the benefit of an inclusive workforce and recognizing that individuals with disabilities have much to contribute and celebrating the accomplishments of individuals with disabilities in the workforce. You think about employment, what is one of the first things that somebody asks you when you meet them new? They ask you, what do you do for a living? Work is such an integral part of anybody's life that employment really contributes to an individual's self-worth. Employment is just a critical and really rite of passage for most people, and it should be the same for individuals with disabilities. DES employs staff that help individuals with disabilities and their families understand the benefits of employment, understand what services and supports are available to help them be successful in the workforce. We hear from individuals with disabilities and DDD members specifically that they are so grateful that they've been given a chance to be employed and demonstrate their work ethic and their value in the workplace. If I could say one thing to people about the importance of hiring individuals with disabilities, I would say that your bottom line will improve, your retention will improve, and your culture and diversity of your workforce will improve. You'll be a better company all the way around.